I'm downtown at Bike Gallery and ran into Jack Nicholson. Jack Nicholson, ran into him. Yeah!
Yeah.
It's Jack. Hey, Jack, can you get me into those liquor games?
Yeah, if you make sure that you behave yourself, you know, and
yeah, I've been a naughty boy.
stop into Venice Beach first, and you can usually find me down the boardwalk also, just walking around and smoking.
All right, it's cool. Jack Nicholson, everybody. I got lucky just now because a guy came by. I was dancing and stuff for a moment. I took a little break, and one of the meter people came by. This guy came by. He totally let me slide. I was 8 minutes over, so I'm really happy for that. Now I'm back to painting. Again, I think it's weird they're using yellow for a winter theme, but it will pop, and that's their color, yellow and black. Hi. We of course are glad it's not raining.
Hallelujah.
Yeah. Anyway, winter overhaul and tune-up special. Now I'm gonna go do the other side. It's about 4 o'clock now, so I'll probably be done about 6, so I'm happy. I'm not gonna be working as late as I thought I would.